Happy holidays, everyone. I hope you've had a wonderful Thanksgiving. We're going to do a little safety tip related to the recent cold weather we're having. We're going to talk about space heaters. So, space heaters can be a great way to add a little warmth around your area, but if they're not used appropriately, they can be a safety hazard. So, we'll go over a couple things to do and a couple things what not to do. So, we'll start off with what to do. Get a more modern space heater that has some smart features like a temperature auto shutoff. So if it gets too hot, it'll just turn off, and tip over protection. So if it gets knocked over or the dog knocks it over, it'll just shut off. Now for what not to do. Make sure you aren't leaving it unattended or next to any blankets, clothing, newspapers, anything like that. Number two, make sure you're not plugging into any extension cords or power strips because the internal wiring in those things isn't rated for the amperage that a space heater is going to draw. And number three, make sure that when you're plugging in a space heater and turning it on, if it's tripping a breaker, don't go and keep flipping the breaker back on. The breaker's doing its job and telling you that you're maxing out the circuit. So if that's happening and you want to figure out a way to have your space heater work, call us up. We'll come take a look and figure out how to make it work right for you so that it's safe. Thank you. Hope you have a great week.